It was dying in the late 60s. People were deserting the place like rats leaving a sinking ship.
You could get a really nice house with electricity and hot water and a kitchen that worked, you know, a tap inside and all that sort of thing. You could plug in a fridge, $5 a week.
They just walked around as if they owned the place. That's how the locals felt.
Some of them weren't really clean. The comm centre, the communist centre.
Bellingen was at that time a town in transition.
Like dropouts, society's dropouts, living in caravans up in the bush and all sorts of stuff.
Settle down. Try and have a word up here. Burying their babies in the bush. Littlies outside Hammond and Wheatley in the nutty.
Yeah, Bellingen. A great place. Yeah. Happy place for lovely people all dancing around the maypole and chucking flowers at each other. It was the most vicious, brutal, nasty little scene while a small mafia of people ran it.
But it was very sad and very thoughtless.
It was just such a wonderful place, and then to see suddenly it being destroyed, it was horrible. Really, yeah.
And it took the heart out of the alternative movement. They didn't want us in town, okay, we wouldn't go.
Came to me, Bellingen. I was like, all right, I'm going to Bellingen.
Like Bellingen would have died if it hadn't been for the hippies to come in big numbers.